So we have Simon's boat here. It's a white 565. Simon's done something a little bit different. He's gone for a Yamaha 200 lightweight. It's the first one we've done. And to be totally honest, these boats perform extremely well with all the different engines we've tried now. The Mercuries, which are the most popular, Suzuki's and the Yamaha 200. And to be totally honest, it did surprise me. The Yamaha really went well on this boat. Really good combination. Simon has set this boat up as a bay boat. He's got snapper racks, your coaming racks. You'll see the gaff blocks with the clips. They're getting very popular now, and it just gives you a spot for your gaffs, your rod pole, whatever you want to sort of store in there. Nice little addition. Yeah, your biminis, your front and side clears, your rocket launchers. That's pretty much standard these days. When I say standard, it's still an option. You don't have to have them. Yeah, your NSS 12, your through-hole transducer. Pretty common, pretty standard, and people just love them, and they really do a good job out here and offshore. So for those people that have got restrictions, storage restrictions, Simon's one of those people. We opted for a swing away drawbar, which can save you a fair bit of room and obviously get your boat in the garage rather than sitting outside. I highly recommend the cabin infill. It's just a bit of a lid. It is a nice touch. You don't have to have it in all the time, but you know, if you want to sort of lay down for a few minutes, for half an hour, it's somewhere where you can just rest your head. Just put a blanket or some mats in there, and you're right. Cup holders in the side pockets are pretty handy as well, and all our 565s will come with a 12-volt adapter and USB chargers in your starboard side pocket. The seat boxes are getting pretty popular. We had another set of seat boxes go up to New South Wales, and before we actually did them, we were a little bit wary, but as you can see, they don't take up a lot of room and give you that extra little bit of storage. A big congratulations to Simon. Looking forward to seeing you this afternoon, and looking forward to seeing that big smile on your face and all those photos that are going to come through with all your catches and your summer holidays, mate. Congratulations, and have plenty of fun with your family.